That is a misnomer. A lot of people don't realize that about New Hampshire in general, or Manchester, New Hampshire. A lot of folks come in from different parts of the world and they come here and they love it and they stay. If you go to a local high school, there's 65 different languages spoken. There's all sorts of cultural festivals. It's a collaboration, a melting pot, and it's a great place for anybody to come and live. We're engaged with 49, 50 different groups, nonprofits, charities, local little leagues, soccer leagues, football leagues, Palace Theater. We opened and created the Pinnacle Foundation, which helps support and directly impact homelessness, veterans, and financial education literacy. To date, we have given out just about $80,000 directly to impact those need areas. We have roughly another $30,000 going out in the next couple of weeks, almost $200,000 in total that we'll probably raise under 2.5 years. It can help folks get it on a path from homelessness to transitional housing to independent living. We feel as members of the mortgage lending community, we're doing our part. You don't like what's going on in your community, you don't like what you see. What are you doing to help impact a better outcome? What are you doing to do your part and be a good community member? And that same concept can be with our wholesale broker community as well. What are you doing to do your part? A lot of people go in the chat rooms, they point their fingers, oh, this should be better, this should be done that way. I don't like how you're doing it. Well, be a thumb pointer and ask, what can you do to do your part to help make the community better? One of the most rewarding transactions that I've ever worked on was a gentleman that came in after going to, I want to say 6 or 7 different retail lenders and was denied. We helped set him up with the right realtor to the point where the realtor was so ethical after the home inspection, he advised him to withdraw. He found him a better deal and gets him into the other house. We got him in on a very low cost loan, low out of pocket expense. And after he closed, he was in tears. When I came into work the next day, it was not long after the Patriots had won the Super Bowl against the Seattle Seahawks. Patriots had interception at the goal line, and there's a picture of Malcolm Butler that intercepted the ball to win the Super Bowl for the Pats. And he had a picture that was autographed with Malcolm Butler that he left on my door. And a life-changing experience for that borrower. That's what we do. That's the most rewarding thing to what we do as loan officers, is how impactful the things that we do daily mean to different families and to different people. There's been a lot of special moments throughout my 20-year career, but that was probably one of the most memorable ones because it was such a genuinely thought gift. You know, we don't expect clients or borrowers to give us anything, but in that situation, you know, after being denied by 6 or 7 lenders, you go home that day and you're very thankful that we have the opportunity to make a living, but also be impactful on people in a positive manner.